In 2011, the Oro Valley Town Council, which includes the current mayor and 4 current council members, doubled the Oro Valley utility tax. It went from 2% to 4%. Then, in 2015, they then raised your Oro Valley sales tax by 25%. They raised your sales tax to pay for golf course losses. Now, it's 2017, and, oh my, here they come again. Now they want a property tax. This time to pay for the Ranger Park stuff. Stuff that you rejected in a property tax vote in 2008. Apparently raising taxes is in their nature. Will their greed ever stop? We don't think so. On November the 7th, be sure to let them know what you think. Tell them, we don't want an Oro Valley property tax. Vote no on Prop 454. Or should we say Property Tax 454? It's your money. You earned it. You should keep it.